Hello, my name is Heba Sharmi. I'm Egyptian French living in Dubai. I have a degree in hospitality and started my career with the International Committee of the Red Cross for 14 years in Cairo. Then we moved to Dubai and I was chosen to be the senior director of a royal household. Now I have decided to launch my own business and decided that etiquette and manners is very important for everyone to know how to deal in every situation. I have chosen the British School of Excellence because the website was very clear and I attended the webinar done by Philip, and I was very impressed by the way he was delivering the tutorial. It was very comprehensive, complete, professional, and the material given out was really impressive, complete, and it will really help us in the future while we are planning our own classes. In the future, I plan to use the Train the Trainer course as a base for my trainings to youth and children, because installing etiquette and manners to the young age is very important for me, which will enable them definitely in the future to be comfortable with any situation.